A teacher, teacher for so long, I'm sure that all of you have to have a big heart. So I'm Daniela Marghitu. I'm the one that communicated with you, via email, and I very much appreciate you coming here. We have a presentation for you. Let me kind of give you a little bit of background. So actually, let's start the presentation, because the presentation is, kind of the history and everything. Okay, so. I'm going to see them there. Okay, so this is basically where I'm trying to impress you that I'm a PhD and I know research in education. Okay, so you can see that one and I convince you about that. Basically what I'm trying to do is that, as you know, there is a problem with attracting kids, towards STEM, careers, and especially toward computer science. So, parents, and children want to go to make the big buck, but not to learn math and physics and so forth, so that's a problem. And as you know, it's around the nation and around the world, actually. It's not just us, There are a lot of efforts trying to find a way, to attract kids for STEM careers and for computer science. So what we have tried to do, and we have been successful since 2005, we have started to use, some educational applications that are very smart, very intelligent, but also kids simply enjoy working with them. And once they fall in love with those applications, such as Microsoft Kodu and the Carnegie Mellon Alice and the robotics, sky's the limit, because if they fall in love, they will not even realize how hard they work, and how much they learn. So we are trying to be tricky, sneaky, and basically we try to develop something very nice, very funny, but in the meantime, something very consistent, where kids actually, without even realizing how hard they are working, they start to think like computer scientists. They start to develop what we call computational thinking, which, in plain English is basically thinking in a, logical way. Okay, so. Basically, this is, we are not the only one, but also we are trying to do something, and we started